Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we're gonna present about the subtopic of chapter 7, which is testing and measurement technique. So, I'm Nurul Afika binti Khairul and this is my teammates. The first one is Nurina Aisyah binti Ros Hamidi and the second one is Saidatul Adila binti Muhammad Shah. In this subtopic, SMPS also known as switch mode power supply. So, in this task, we need to identify the common features and external parts of the power supply board. Next is, we also need to observe the output measurement of SMPS board. The last one is, we need to know how to handling SMPS testing measurement procedure. This block diagram illustrates the operation of a switch mode power supply. Here's a step-by-step explanation of its component. So, the first one is AC input supply. The power supply starts with an alternating current source. Then, input rectification and filtering. The AC is rectified using a rectifier circuit to convert it into unidirectional current. A filter is then used to smooth out the ripples, resulting in a relatively stable DC voltage. Next is high frequency switching. The filter DC is fed to a switching device, either MOSFET or bipolar transistor, which operates at a high frequency. This switching is controlled by a PWM, which is pulse width modulation signal to regulate the output voltage. Other than that is power transformer. The high frequency switching generates AC, which is then passed through a transformer. The transformer step up or step down the voltage to the desired level. The high frequency operation allows for smaller and more efficient transformer. And output rectification and filtering. The transformed AC is rectified again to DC. Filters are used to remove high frequency noise and stabilize the DC output. Lastly is control circuit. A feedback loop is implemented to regulate the output voltage. So, this slide is about the basic block diagram on the SMPS project board with label. While for this slide is about the measurement procedure of SMPS testing. First, make sure take out all accessories on your body before perform the testing. Next, make sure your workstation space clear from any unused tools. Lastly, do not touch or short circuit the power capacitor that may give you electrical shock.
Hi, my name is Nurina Aisyah binti. I will explain about the measurement and the result. So, this is the circuit, control circuit using IC PWM. Before starting the measurement, make sure the current supply is turned on and probe in the correct place in the negative or positive place. First measurement AC input is 235 ammeter. AC input refers to the supply of alternating current electricity that is fed into an electrical. The result of AC filter and DC filter. AC filter 232 ammeter and DC filter 341 volt. AC filter used to filter out unwanted AC component or noise from a signal, also to block DC component and allow AC signal to pass by using component like capacitor and inductors. While DC filter remove AC component or noise from a DC signal, ensuring that the output is a smoother, more stable direct current blocking AC signal and allowing DC signal which are constant to pass. They often use a capacitor, inductor and resistor. The result of high frequency inverter is 340 volt, an electronic device that converts direct current AC into alternating current AC at a high frequency. Control circuit by using IC PWM is 13.86 volt. Refers to a system where an integrated circuit IC generates a PWM signal to control the behavior of a load, such as power supply. Lastly is DC output 11.96 volt. They are commonly used in applications where different components need different voltage level, providing a steady and reliable form of electrical energy for devices that need consistent power.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Yadatu Alina. Today I will explain the SMPS function and provide the value shown in the table along with a description of each component and their record value. The first component is the primary rectifier, which shows a current of 225 ampere, indicate that the circuit receives a high capacity as input and after converting it to DC. The output current remains high. This is essential of supplying sufficient energy to the next stage of the SMPS circuit. Next, the second component is power capacitor, which shows 232 ampere, indicate that the capacitor can store and discharge a large amount of the current, helping to maintain the voltage stability required. This is because the capacitor functions to filter and smooth the DC voltage produced by the rectifier. Thirdly, MOSFET. The MOSFET at 341 volt reflects the high-speed switching process that boosts the voltage before it is transferred to the secondary side. This shows that the MOSFET manipulates the signal to control the power output effectively. The fourth component is IC PWM at 30.86 voltage, indicate process at tight control by the PWM to ensure the output voltage match the load requirement. The slight variation between this value may present natural fluctuation during the switching process. Lastly, the second IC regulator is used to regulate the final output voltage and ensure a steady voltage is delivered to the load. The value of 11.96 voltage indicates that the output voltage is stable, showing that the regulator circuit functions well to maintain the desired voltage level at the final stage of the SMPS. That's all from our group. Thank you.